आय लिगाचे नव्या सिजनात आयतारा स्पोर्टिंग क्लब आड ईस्ट बंगाल मॅच नेहरू स्टेडियमार जातली। स्पोर्टिंग पंगडाची बऱ्यापैकी तयारी जाल्या आणि पेजात कामगिरी करपाचो विश्वास कोच मॅथ्यू कॉस्ता आणि कॅप्टन ओडाफा ओकोलीन उक्तायला। शेनवारा सकाळी स्पोर्टिंग आड ईस्ट बंगाल मॅचीचे प्री मॅच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स पणजे जाले।
It's the first match, so we are very much focused on it, and we are hoping to have a good start. Preparation has been going on well.
100% okay. I've come back early and I enjoyed the pre-season. I think everything is going well, and we prepare for the first matches. It's not easy because the East Bengal is a better team, is a good team also, and we will give our best because first match is very important for all the 9 clubs in the league.
Is there a lot of pressure on you to get goals because you are the only recognized striker? You only got the India.
It's not more pressure. Nobody give me pressure. Just motivate me to try to win the match tomorrow. That's all. Nobody give me pressure. And I prepare for the I League, all the matches.
Thank you. All the best.
Thanks a lot. पणजे दर्या संगमाचेर शुक्रारा सावन लोकोत्सव सुरू जालो। लोकोत्सवाक पयले दिसा मयेच्या फामाद माल्याची जत्रे हे पारंपारीक नृत्य जाले। भारताच्या हेर राज्यांतल्यानूय वेगवेगळे पंगड लोकोत्सवात आपली कला सादर करतले। दर्या संगमार वेगवेगळ्या वस्तूंचे आणि खावपाचे जिन्नसांचे स्टॉल्स उबारल्यात। 17 जानेर मेरेन लोकोत्सव चलतलो। इतल्याने खबराची तरंगात सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।